Hey friends, happy Winter Wednesday. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make quick pickles. So today we're going to be quick pickling cucumbers, red onions. We'll toss some garlic in there as well and some beans. To make quick pickles is super easy. You only need a few ingredients, just water and some vinegar. I'm gonna make these a little spicy, so we're gonna toss in some peppers, and this is mustard seeds, black peppercorns, and this is actually dill seeds from Sunflower Co-op. They're super awesome, we love them. Let's get into it. So to start, we're gonna put 3 cups of water with 1.5 cups of vinegar and some salt. And we gotta bring this to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, that's how we know it's ready. So this is 6 tablespoons. A little more for good luck. And we're gonna add the spices now. And now we're gonna just chop up our veggies. I'm just gonna put a garlic clove in. See if I can fit this all in here. And you wanna fill it all the way up, but you don't want stuff sticking out of the top. That one's ready. All right. You can do pickles, cucumbers, you know, classic medallion, or do them long. I'm gonna do these ones long. And the ends are for snacking. Also, if you need a last-minute gift for Christmas or Hanukkah holidays, quick pickles is a great easy gift. People love homemade pickles. And when I'm making quick pickles, I usually make a little staging area. I line up everything so that it's ready to go. And this is still heating up, but I'll put this back in our liquid measuring cup. Another important thing to do when we're making pickles, quick or non-quick, is to label your jars. So I usually do quick pickle and the date. That's good to go.
Hi, Jarvin.
Thank you, Amy. I appreciate you. Hey, Mara. So I watched a movie last night. It was a scary movie. It was jarring. Oh, wait, no, I did it wrong. Sorry. I did it wrong. I watched a documentary about pickles last night. It was jarring. Hey, Amy.
Yeah.
So I accidentally dropped some pickle in my Hawaiian punch. I guess it is now tropical. All right, looks like our brine is all heated up and our salt is dissolved. So I'm gonna carefully pour this into a liquid measuring cup. And we fill it all the way up so that everything is covered. Hey, Em. Why do pickles wear glasses?
I don't know why.
They're legally brined. Did I pickle your funny bone? The kids love my jokes. And there you have it. So these, you can pop these in the fridge and they'll stay good for a few weeks. If you eat them today, they're gonna be just like vegetables in vinegar. So I recommend you wait a few days, like 3 days, and then they're gonna be good and crispy. And there you have it. If you have vegetables in your fridge about to go bad, this is my favorite way to preserve them. And if you want the recipe, we actually have a famous How to Make Pickles zine that one of our educators, Miss M, made. You can head over to our Instagram and find that there.